This is the heater that I got at Canadian Tire. Just a personal ceramic heater, as you see. This is what you get. So I'm going to do a review on this when I uses it for a while. So this is, I don't know what brand this one is. Let me see if it's on here. Conwin. Made in, I won't say it. Secret. Where's this one? Made? Well, it's probably the brother to that one. But we'll see. This one lasted 2 years. It's not bad for the price. We'll see how good this one is. So friends, it's not an update because I haven't posted a video on it. But I just wanted to say this heater has been very good heater. I've had it for, I don't know, a couple years now. For a personal heater on a workbench, this works flawlessly. Can't say enough about it. I don't know for the price. If I get another season, which is starting now, that'll be 2 or 3 seasons. So I guess you can't complain for $50 or whatever it is. So I just wanted to let you know it hasn't given me any trouble. So if you're thinking about getting a heater like this, go ahead. Thanks, guys.